my channel and press the bell icon so that you can view more updates.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sarthak Studio. Today I am going to show you how to replace your cursor with any of your photo or highlight your cursor. Make sure you like, comment and share my video and subscribe to my channel. So now let's begin. So now for replacing your cursor into any image, first of all you need to choose that image. So now I have chosen my image. So now you need to go in your browser and select image to CUR. The meaning of CUR is cursor. Click on the first link, select choose files, scroll down and simply select your photo and select convert. So now after the conversion is completed, you need to select download. And now it's downloaded, and now just type here mouse settings and then select additional mouse options, select pointers, browse and then go to this PC and downloads. So you can get here your CUR. So just open it and now select apply and then OK. So now as you can see, my cursor is replaced with my photo. And for changing it back to normal, you need to go in type here to search, go in mouse options, mouse settings, go in additional mouse options, pointers, select the none and then select apply and OK. So now my mouse is back to normal, and now I will show you how to highlight it. So now first of all you need to open Google Chrome and just select the link I am typing. This is the link. Now select gallery, search here highlighted cursors, and then you can get many highlighted cursors. Just select on these group and now select the cursor you like. You can even select all the cursors one by one. So now I'll select the red one because I like it, and now select download. And now it's getting downloaded. Now go select here mouse settings. Go in additional mouse options, select pointers, select browse, this PC, downloads, and here you can see your highlighted cursor. Just open it and then select apply and OK. So now my cursor has got highlighted. And now for changing it back to normal, type here mouse settings, additional mouse options, go to pointers and now select none and now select apply and OK. So now your cursor is back to normal. Make sure to like, share and comment my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.